Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a general ledger using an easy method. First, understand that a general ledger is the central hub for all your financial data. It compiles transactions from various journals into specific accounts, like cash or accounts payable. This organized approach helps you see the financial health of your business at a glance, making it a crucial tool for accurate record keeping and future financial reporting. Recording transactions accurately is key to a reliable general ledger. For every transaction, you'll make at least one debit entry and one credit entry. Remember, debits increase assets and expenses, while credits increase liabilities, equity, and revenue. For example, if you buy supplies with cash, you debit supplies and credit cash. This double entry system ensures your books always remain balanced. Once transactions are recorded, the next step is balancing your accounts. For each individual account, sum up all the debit entries and all the credit entries separately. The difference between these two totals gives you the account's balance. For instance, if your cash account has more debits than credits, you have a positive cash balance. This process prepares your data for creating essential financial statements. To wrap up, consistently reviewing your general ledger for accuracy is paramount. This easy method ensures your financial records are always precise, which is essential for making informed business decisions and preparing accurate financial statements. Remember, a well-maintained ledger is the backbone of sound financial management. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.